Welcome to Teacher Abby channel. Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Abby and I'm so happy you're here. If you're looking for fun, engaging, and easy to understand lessons, educational activities, teaching tips, and learning resources, then you're in the right place. Here on this channel, we learn, grow, and succeed together. Whether you're student, teacher, or parent, there's something here for you. Before we begin, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you will never miss any new videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new and enjoyed today's lesson. Remember, learning is a journey and every step you take brings you closer to success. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Teacher Abby, and click the notification below so you'll never miss our next learning adventure. Keep learning, keep believing, and keep shining. This is Teacher Abby saying, teach, inspire, empower. See you in the next video. Bye everyone.